So malapit ang Valentine's Day, kaya if you're the type na mas gusto na lang mag-celebrate at home with your special someone, this chocolate molten lava cake will surely impress your date. Pahinan lang natin ng butter yung loob ng ating ramekins, then dust it with flour, tap to remove the excess. Then set aside. This recipe by the way makes 2 servings and yung size ng ramekins na ginamit ko is 4x2 or 300 ml. If wala namang ramekins, you can use 2 4-inch round pan. Now chop 100 grams of your favorite dark chocolate bar, then add it to the bowl with half cup of butter. Melt together in a microwave oven or use a Dober boiler. Once melted, mix, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, then set aside. In a bigger bowl, add 2 whole eggs, 2 egg yolks, and 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix using a hand mixer until mag-volumize at maging pale yellow yung color ng eggs. Slowly add the melted butter and chocolate mixture, then fold in using a spatula. And using a sieve, add 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Fold until there's no more traces of flour in the batter. Transfer the batter into the prepared ramekins. In a preheated oven, bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for 14 minutes. The way to tell na okay na yung lava cake is by touching the top part. Kailangan dry. At medyo firm yung side pero slightly jiggly in the middle. If it's underbaked, magko-collapse yung cake kasi hindi pa buo yung structure ng cake sa side. But if it's overbaked naman, yung center ng lava cake when sliced is masyadong thick. But either way, masarap pa rin sila pareho. And that's exactly what happened to me nung ginawa ko tong video. Kaya nung gabi, nag-try ulit ako. Half recipe na lang yung ginawa ko para isang ramekin lang yung magamit ko and hoping na maging successful siya this time. And thankfully, perfect yung kinalabasan ng lava cake. Nabuild niya yung structure with a molten lava chocolate center. For me, it is best served warm with a chilled Greek-style yogurt or vanilla ice cream. Hope you guys will make this recipe on your Valentine's date or any other day that you feel like celebrating. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.